Our eldest neighbors are still the most at risk of losing their lives to COVID-19. But now a new concern, cases rising in young people who could spread this sickness to their families and the community. We are tracking an increasing number of cases across the country and in our own community.
And younger people are not immune to some of those very harsh symptoms. Channel 9's Tina Terry joins us now. And Tina, you say that more young people are ending up in the hospital now.
More than 100 people came here today for COVID-19 testing, many of them under the age of 49, a group that health officials have a very strong message for tonight.
Death only comes around once, and there's no, oh, well, I want to go back and do this.
Sobering words from Joseph Russell. The 49-year-old is taking COVID-19 seriously, getting tested and taking other measures.
Why not put on a mask? Why not stay home?
He lives in Rowan County. In June, 61% of the people who tested positive here for COVID-19 were between the ages of 19 and 50. In April, that age group only made up 38% of cases.
That is an increase for us. We were initially seeing some of our population that was over 65.
In Mecklenburg County, people 49 and under make up about 75% of positive cases. Statewide, about 67%. From the beginning, health experts have warned younger people are more likely to survive the virus. But with a major holiday weekend approaching, they're warning young, healthy adults to think of others.
The issue is that they may take it to their loved ones, their grandmothers, their grandfathers, their family members, and that's the last thing that I would ever want to think that I had done, simply because I didn't, want to wear a face mask.
Yes, and numbers from the CDC show that there's been a 10% increase in COVID-19 hospitalizations for people 49 and under. That is since the beginning of this pandemic. State health officials tell me they're working on initiatives right now to encourage more young people to help prevent the spread of this virus. Back to you, Scott.
All right, Tina, thank you very much. Now, last week, the White House Coronavirus Task Force called the increase in young people becoming infected a paradigm shift because they are more likely to not get sick, and that makes identifying, isolating, and contact tracing cases all more difficult.